A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are safe. So students, in our last science class, we discussed about respiration in organisms, right? Respiration in human being, respiration in insects, and respiration in fishes, tiger, lion. These all the things we discussed, right? Now I am going to teach you about respiration in plants. How it can possible, children? We know that photosynthesis that is happening in plants, is it? We already know that in plants they are take in carbon dioxide and gives out what? Which gas? That is oxygen that we are breathing, right? Respiration also happening in plants. We can check how is it possible. Like other living organisms, plants also respire for their survival. They also take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. In respiration, plants they are take in oxygen. As like human being, they also take in oxygen and plants and it gives out carbon dioxide as like human being. So respiration in human being and plants is same, because they are taking oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Okay, but photosynthesis is different from this respiration. We know that in photosynthesis, plants they are taking carbon dioxide, right, and gives out oxygen. Okay, that's why it will be balanced. Okay, students, in the cells, oxygen is used to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water. I will write the formula here. Students, at that time, plants, their breakdown of glucose in the cells, in the presence of oxygen, aerobic respiration is happening here. And it gives out carbon dioxide, water and energy at daytime. This carbon dioxide it is using for photosynthesis. This carbon dioxide it is using for photosynthesis at daytime. That word is important, at daytime. Okay, but at night what will happen, children? Usually we are commonly saying at night don't sleep under the tree. Sometimes ghost will come. It is not a ghost because of why? Carbon dioxide will produce, right? Because there is no light. So when the plants respiring, carbon dioxide will produce and it will cause suffocation to us. That's why don't sleep at night under the tree. So students, in plants, each part of a plant it independently or individually taking oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. We can check how the parts of the plants they are respiring through the different parts of the plant. Okay, first I am going to explain about the root. Root take up air from the air space present between the soil particle. And what about leaves, children? We already learned leaves have stomata, a tiny spores for exchange of gases. Okay, then what about stem? Stem has lenticles for exchange of gases. More about lenticles you will learn in your higher classes. Okay, so these all about different parts of the plant, how they are respiring. Okay, root, leaves, stem, these parts can do the respiration easily. Okay, so students, these all about respiration chapter. So all should have to read the chapter 3 times. Okay, so ultimately we can say like that all living organisms they need to respire for getting the energy for the survival of an organism. Okay, so we can meet in our next class. Thank you.